guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some home renovations. We have decided to switch out our 2-year-old's room into a big boy room. So we're going to be making a DIY headboard as well as adding some new decor to our house. I've got some corbels that we're going to put underneath our kitchen countertops and just some really fun things. So I'm going to be getting his bedding ready for his new bed and just start doing some little DIYs. I also have some risers to paint. Definitely stay tuned if you like DIYs and decorating. And if you can tell that the video is a little bit different right now, it's because I'm filming on my iPhone for the moment until my camera battery charges back up. I did just do a whole cleaning video, so it's got to charge back up. I'm gonna run and get some pizza for us for dinner, just something quick, and it's Saturday, so it's the weekend, and then we will get to all of our projects. So are you ready for your big boy bed?
Yeah!
Oh yeah, it's gonna be so fun. Oh yeah, Dada's getting it all set.
Yeah!
You're funny. And little Miss Rosie, my robot vacuum over there, is doing the cleaning for me. And what are you up to, Mr. Colt? Nothing. You just want to be loved on? Yeah. I did mention this on Instagram though the other day, but I switched my desk around. I had a subscriber tell me to do this and I love it. I think it looks so good. I just have to go get something to help get this sticker off right here. I'm gonna try some Goo Gone and see if that does the trick. This is our guest bedroom and it's just an extra bed that we have in here. So I went ahead and bought him some sheets. Sorry you guys, I've got the vacuum and hammering. This is just a DIY vlog, but these were normally $26 and now they're $13. This is a full size and these are really soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these into the washer so they can be washed and dried before tonight. And then I also got this waterproof mattress protector just because he is potty training and stuff. So that we're gonna put that on there before the sheets. And then I got him another kid's pillow. I'm not sure what to do about a comforter yet though. I've been looking on Amazon, so I'll see if I can find something there. But for now, I think I'm just gonna wash this comforter and just put it on the navy side. The sheets in the washing machine, and here is the bed. Oh, Brooksy, what do you think? We're gonna move that to your room? Oh, it looks comfy.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. So I'm gonna wash some of these as well. I'm probably just gonna keep layering on bedding. I'm not really sure what the game plan is yet, but we'll see once it's all in there. Board is in. Oh, I love it. I think it's so pretty with his mountain mural. But you guys, the other side of the room, oh man. So we've got some rearranging to do in here, but it's looking good so far. I love this stain, the color. I kind of wanted it like a dark color like that, and he's got some other like wood tone things in here, so I thought wood would be pretty, and I love it. Brooke said it was beautiful. Okay, I decided to put the headboard and bed on the opposite wall. That way whenever you walked into his room, you could actually see it. So we are rearranging everything in here. So we're just gonna push this bed frame back up in there and then rearrange his dresser and his bookshelf and all that good stuff too. Okay, this is what we're working with. We have moved the bed over to this wall and attached it. I'm just waiting on the sheets and comforter to get out of the wash and dryer. And then I added this little table to act as his kind of like nightstand. And then moved his bookshelf over here. Still have to like decorate it and everything. I just got home and Taylor like has got all this moved, but nothing's up. I still have a bunch of his signs I have to rehang up on the wall, probably some above there, and then also over here on this wall above his dresser and TV. So it's coming along pretty good, and I think it's looking cute. Project number 2 are these corbels. We're just gonna put them underneath the bar area just to add a little bit of character. So these were from TJ Maxx. I showed them in my Hobby Lobby Shop With Me video that I posted recently. I think they're actually bookends, but they were $9.99 and we're using them underneath. So Taylor's just going to drill them. Did you make holes just on the inside?
Yeah.
So he made a hole on the inside, on the top and bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but that's how it's gonna hold it in place. All right. Now the next one. I'll just hit those with a little bit of chalk paint. You won't even be able to see it. Okay, so here is everything that I have to work with for the walls. Different signs. I've got some garland, like greenery, and a clock, a shelf. So I have pretty much 2 walls to do something with. So the little area above his bed, and then also this wall over here. We do have his ruler. We didn't want to move that because it's like exactly where it needs to be as far as height goes, for the ruler to be accurate. But the TV doesn't mount, I don't think it has like the bracket or whatever to mount it, so that's gonna stay, and the Xbox will stay as well. So we'll just decorate that wall and this wall.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight.
Okay, so these 2 signs here and those arrows and that sign are gonna go above the bed, and then I'm gonna put the greenery, I think, around the headboard, like above it, and then this little TP shelf will go right here above the nightstand, and then I probably will bring his lamp back in here as well. That way he can use it, like if we're gonna read a story or something. And then for this wall above the TV, he's already got Paw Patrol on, watching it. I'm gonna have this set up here. So, and this may change, but this is the start of it. So, I've got that little banner. I'm gonna hang it up there. So, yeah. Okay, here is the overview of the room. I'm so happy with how it turned out. So, we've just got his signs above the bed. We had to rearrange them a little bit, but I think it's good. We have to also get a command strip for that B. It's crooked, so in order for it to stay, we're gonna have to command strip it. And we've got his TP over there and some garland above the headboard. I still don't know what I'm gonna do about the comforter situation, but for now I put a navy one on and a couple of blankets. And then we've used this little table from IKEA for his nightstand, so that worked out pretty good. This rug I have over here for now, and then over here on this wall we've got his TV and his little tree and all the stuff on the wall, and then a basket for his blankets, like extra blankets, and I still have to vacuum in here. And then on this wall he's got his bookshelf, so, and his blanket ladder. So yeah, there's a little overview of his room and then his closet. So I think it turned out pretty good. Okay, we are so worn out from all these projects. It's like almost 9:30 now, so Brooks is about to get into bed. We have church tomorrow, so I think we're going to stop our DIY projects here and then pick them back up tomorrow. So I will see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, it's the next day. We just got home from church and kind of got settled in, and I'm about to start on a couple more projects that I had. Only going to do one more though. I'm gonna make the little DIY riser. I've done this before, I think on my YouTube channel, but I've got a different spin on it this time. I may have actually only done it on Instagram. I don't remember exactly, but I got all of the supplies from Hobby Lobby a while back, and I wanted to make a chunkier version of what I've had, so I'll show you all of the pieces now. It's super easy, doesn't take that much time either, so let's go ahead and make it. So here's the piece that we're going to use for the top of the riser, and it was $2.99, and I used the 40% off coupon at Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to lay that on a trash bag, and these are the feet. So these are just little candlesticks, I guess. I think that's what it says. Candlestick hole, 5 pieces, and these were $4.99, and I used the 40% off coupon for these as well. I'm going to use 4 of these for each corner of this board to elevate it and make our riser. So it'll sit up like that, and we're going to paint all of the pieces, let it dry, and then we're going to glue it together with some E6000 glue. And for the paint, I actually got this at Walmart, and I used it for my other ones as well. One is the Waverly chalk paint in the color Ivory, and then to distress it, we're going to use this Elephant Gray by Apple Barrel in the matte shade. And I'm just going to use one of these brushes for the chalk paint, and then this little one for the gray. So I've got everything set up here, and we're going to go ahead and get to painting. Okay, once it dries, you're gonna take your glue and your little legs, and you're just going to glue them on to all 4 corners. And you can do these as close to the edge or as far away as you want. And then I'll flip it over and we will distress it with some gray paint. So what you do, you're just gonna take the inside and apply that glue directly onto the wood. This stuff is really strong. I can always tell after I've done a project because it's like pretty intense. So I'm gonna put this one over here. Just going to place it on. Okay. And then we'll continue with the next 3. Okay, while those dry, I'm going to put a little bit of this elephant gray paint over in my paper plate. And I'm gonna take a thin little paintbrush and I'm just going to dab it in and then kind of get the excess off so you're just left with a little bit. Gently brush some of the edges with your brush to kind of make it look a little bit worn. But you don't want to get too much paint on the brush or else it won't turn out right. You can always go back over it with a little bit of white as well if you get too much going on. Then once you have it how you like it, you're gonna flip it over. And then you can kind of like tweak any areas that maybe you got a little too much in or whatnot if you wanna add a little bit more. Okay, and here is the stand finished. I love how it turned out, so cute, definitely a lot bigger. I could do so much with this. So yeah, I did the white. It's kind of like an ivory color. It matches the Rae Dunn white really well. And then I used that elephant gray to kind of distress it. And I think it turned out pretty good. So really reasonably DIY, definitely under $10, which you can't beat. And you can do so much with these. So I'll probably be making some more. If you guys want to see that, let me know. Definitely follow me on Instagram too, because I always post my DIYs over there. But these are the flowers Taylor got me for Valentine's Day, so I thought I'd just bring that over there and display them. So yeah, there's the little corbels too. Corbels. I'm not sure how you say it, but I love how they turned out as well. I think it just adds like a little bit of character to the area. Okay guys, that wraps up the DIYs for this weekend. I still haven't hung up my little, I don't know, basket wall hanger. I just don't know where I want to put it yet, so I'm going to hold off and wait until, I don't know, we've got Brooks's crib out of the way. It is sitting in our living room right now. We still have to break it down and take it somewhere. I'm not sure where we're going to store it yet. But anyways, it feels good to have Brooks's room done and to have a couple projects checked off the to-do list. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to have so much home organization coming your way. I'm also going to throw in some what I eat in a day videos so you guys can get some recipe inspiration, and then I'll also be doing tons of spring cleaning. I'm so excited for those videos, and spring decorating, so definitely stay on the lookout for that. I'll probably do a couple more shop with me as well for spring. I already have one from Hobby Lobby up on my channel, so make sure to check that out. But anyways, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.